Hey friends, so sometimes I get asked, what do you guys do all day? So I'm gonna show you. But we've already started our day before I thought about this, so I'm gonna catch you up from here. We wake up, we get the house ready, and this guy is already doing this. Austin preps the coffee for me, and so all I have to do is plug it in and start. We do that, we make oatmeal. This morning for breakfast, we played outside. So we were outside for, I wanna say close to an hour this morning, just eating breakfast, drinking a coffee. We came inside, we changed butts, and we played for a little bit, and then he already wanted to nurse. Some days he doesn't want to nurse for a really long time. And other days he wants to nurse right away. We are up and playing. Mom's getting our second cup of coffee. He is taking stuff out of the cabinet. Anyway, so I'm gonna make a coffee and see where else we can tap. Okay guys, so I have Atlas asleep and I've had him asleep for a little while. Does anyone else get their kid to sleep and they're like, ah, now I can finally do the things I want to do, and then you grab your phone and you're like, I kind of just want to rest. Because I just wanted to rest. But I also need to do chores, but I'm kind of scared to do chores because I don't want to wake him up. I think he's been asleep for like 20-30 minutes now. So if he stays asleep, that's great. If he wakes up, he's definitely going to be grumpy. So this is where I'm like, do I do stuff or do I just sit around? Because I need to do these dishes. I need to put these dishes away. Okay guys, so a lot of the day has passed. My family came up and surprised me, and so I spent some time with my sister who came up from Tennessee. We went to Walmart, did some shopping. Atlas fell asleep in Walmart, and he's currently napping. And then Austin is making dinner, so while he does that, I just did the dishes, and I'm actually gonna put some laundry away. Let's clean this place up. Has been recording this whole time, which is awesome. But I put butter in here, and now I'm putting sugar in here. The bulk of it of overkill. It's a little too big, but we're here. So I just picked it up while I was mopping and then threw it away.
You did not throw it away.
I said I never threw it away.
I know that. I'll do it because I wanted to get done too with this. You don't know how to make these.
That was you. I don't know why you're just saying I did bread. You literally did the bread.
And that's how I know when she said
Because bread ties are dumb. Oh my goodness, my egg was.
if they told you I had to come out of a brown chicken's butt, you'd be like, on the search for it.
Sorry, I'm good at following directions.
Oh no!
Gonna have to buy that tomorrow. So I need to make sure I have dinner done. Okay, early tomorrow. Threw a flashlight in at her. God, come on.
Oh, sneaky. Oh, excuse you, are you kidding me? You putting sugar on my face like that?
While we wait on the cookie dough to harden, I make and sell these little mini hand pies, and I just wanted to put a little plug in for myself because I'm currently going to snack on one, and you should be snacking on one too. Delicious.